Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to get a Vrbo refund. So to get a Vrbo refund, you have to log into your Traveler Vrbo account. Just open your Vrbo app and then log into your account. Now go to trips at the bottom of your screen. Now all of your booked and saved trips will just pop up on the screen. Once you go to My Trips, select the reservation to initiate a cancellation. The refund amount depends on the host's policy, for example, relaxed moderate form, which you can find in your booking confirmation. Now, if you are outside the cancellation window, you must contact the host via the Vrbo Messenger to request a partial or full refund. The host can issue a custom refund. Now, if the host is unresponsive or the property is not as described, you can contact Vrbo support through the help center to request a dispute investigation. Now, if you purchased travel insurance, you must contact the insurance provider directly for a refund. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. See you in my next one.